Hey guys, it's me, Scarlett. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me and mini makeup tutorial. Here I'm showing you how long my hair is, and we're going to put on concealer, and then we're going to put on we're going to rub it in, and then we're going to put on some powder. Oh yeah, powder. And then we're going to put on some mascara to make my eyelashes stick out more. And then what we're going to do next is put on more, because that's what I do. And then we put on some eyeshadow on my face for blush, because I don't have blush. And then we're going to put on lipstick. Oh yeah, lipstick. Then we're going to put on some white eyeliner. We're going to put dots on my face, because I like white freckles, because I'm brown, and white freckles really stick out when I have blush on. I don't know. I just feel like I look like a mini strawberry or something weird. Like a strawberry girl, or I don't know. I don't know what I look like. I look like a strawberry, sorta. I mean, that's kind of what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like strawberry shortcake, sort of. But yeah. And then we're gonna put a little line, because that's what I do. And then I decided to throw on some eyeliner. I kind of liked it better without the eyeliner, but whatever. Now we're gonna put on my wig. So yeah, that's what my wig looks like. And now we're gonna do a try on. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do a Goodwill haul. So this is what I got from Goodwill. I got this skirt, which I think is so cute. Like, look at it. It has studs on it, first of all, and it's size medium, which is my size. And like, when I first saw it, I was like, oh my god, no way. And then I saw the studs, and I was like, okay, that bitch is about to be mine, like, you know? Like, I don't know, bruh. Like, literally, these are fucking weird. Like, I don't know. And, like, when I went to Goodwill, I was wearing this shirt. First of all, this shirt is so cute. And, like, with this skirt, yes, girl. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dress up for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys, like, my outfit. Here's what I'm wearing right now. It has, like, this chain. And then, I mean, it's a cute shirt, but, like, they glued a piece of plastic onto the shirt, and I can't cut it off because it's glued on there, and it'll put a hole in it. I'm gonna show you guys, like, a lookbook or whatever. Like, I have a few outfits, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So, okay, guys, so this is one of the shirts that I got from AliExpress. Like, I'm beautiful, bitch. Like, I look good. Like, people look at me and they go, oh my god, she's fat, she still looks good. Yeah, you know, like, that's what I want people to think. It says thick goth. I like this shirt style so much that I got, like, 5 different ones. Okay, so I changed my pants. So for the pants, I'm gonna show you guys. I would wear probably something like this if I was going on a walk or something. Just because, like, I don't really like showing that much skin, but, like, that's what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty cool. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so this is another shirt. It's, like, sleeveless. That's my bra. So that's what that looks like. I think it's cute. Okay, so this is another shirt that I got from AliExpress. As you can see, like, the print, like, constricts my breast. So, like, I think it's good because it keeps it, like, on. But, in order to get this on, it's like, it's a little bit hard to breathe. Like, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. I know, like, I don't wear skirts, but, like, that's what it looks like. I feel like a princess that was never meant to be a princess. Dude, I haven't worked out in forever. Okay, guys, so here I have these pants, and there's this belt that I stole. I stole it! Don't tell anybody, but I stole this belt, bruh. Like, I stole it in Hawaii, because I didn't really steal it. Like, I bought a pair of pants, and these were on a separate pair of pants that I didn't want. I just wanted the belt, so I took the belt and put it on the pants that I bought. So, like, I don't really know if that's stealing, but I think it is. So, these ones are size XXXL. But, here, I'm gonna show you guys. They have little crosses on them. But yeah, that's what that looks like. I really like these pair of pants. Hi guys. Yes guys, this is my outfit of the day. Okay, But yeah. Okay guys, so sorry about that. Here's the shirt. It has like this little triangular curvature right here. I just think it's a really like good shirt. Like it's a really cute shirt, and it says Little Tooth on there. I get all this stuff from AliExpress. I bought a pair of extensions for $250 and they did not send it to me, and they wouldn't give me my money back. I'll send you one item and not the other 7 that you ordered, so I would not like necessarily, you know, if you buy something off of there and they like do that to you, don't blame me, okay guys, because I told you. But then again, I got all this cute stuff, so I've ordered so many things. Most of the time I get it, but you know, there's been too many times where I haven't. They usually give you a refund, but with that $250, they didn't, and that pissed me off, okay? That's $250 of my money that now I have nothing to show for it, and I can't get my money back. So that's also why I don't really condone the use of AliExpress anymore. Goodwill's a good place. I found that that cute skirt. You just have to look, and also making your own clothes is also an option, but I'm lazy. Like, I'm an artist and I can, but I'm lazy. I'm gonna go show you guys this shirt that I made. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is a shirt that I made out of that's something that I got from Goodwill. It was like this little girl's dress, and I completely like revamped it and redid it to make this shirt. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I made this completely from scratch and I'm so proud of it. And the back looks like that. I don't really know if I'm gonna use it. I mean, it's cute. Like, the back's not ugly, but I think you just need to not wear a bra. So I really like this shirt. This shirt I'm proud of. And then I have this one that I made. It has like these little like ghost creatures on it, but like the way I sewed it on was wrong, and like it's reflective. Here, I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. The back is just this thing. It's good for summer. Like, you can like put it up under your bra or whatever. I put this little bow on there because I thought it would look cool. I mean, the way I sewed it on, like I just sewed it like like it's a little ghost. Like, I made this from hand, like from scratch. Like, I just cut little designs in it. I mean, it looks cute. Like, you can't really tell what it is, but it looks cute. I mean, unless I tell you. It's a cute little shirt. I like it. It looks good for winter. Or, I mean, for winter, for summer. No, like, literally, I would literally wear this in the winter. That's probably why my brain did that. But, I don't know, like, I feel like this would be really good, like, in the summer, like, with no bra on. Like, because you, like, you know, if you just take off your bra, be like, oh, yeah, guys, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach, yeah. You know? I know this is super weird, but, like, I have, like, weird mental issues. But, like, during the time that I made this dress, I thought, like, I was talking to this ghost, like, and the ghost was helping me make this shirt. So, I don't know, like, if that's important information, but, like, if you ever, like, wear this shirt and you get cursed or something, I'm sorry. The ghost, like, I was talking to the ghost, and it was, like, don't question me. Like, that's how like, this is who I am, bro. Like, I talk to ghosts sometimes. But, like, literally, bro, I was talking to the ghost, and, like, it was telling me a story, because, like, she was locked in the attic for, like, 25 years or something, and then her mom was, like, psycho or something, I don't know. But, like, I was talking to both of them, and then the mom was scaring me. But the daughter, like, I felt sad for her, but I was also scared of both of them because they're both ghosts. And I was like, okay, well, I don't usually talk to ghosts, so I was like, okay, well, that's really weird. So, during the time that I made this shirt, I was a little bit afraid of, like, the ghosts or whatever. But, don't question me, like, I don't know, that's just how I felt, like, inside. Like, I felt like they were, like, inside of me. Not like a possession, but like inside of my soul. Like, you know, like, I feel like everything is connected, and I feel like if you really, you know, think about something, you can, like, connect to it spiritually. I don't know. I know I'm, like, a weirdo for that, but, I don't know. Let me know if you guys like these shirts I made. I like this one. Like, the more I look at it in like, the camera, the more I like it. It's reflective, so in the nighttime, if lights hit you, it'll be like super bright. There's my lookbook. Let me know what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.